Every Jew needs to know our history. But also every Jew needs to know his maker. Every Jew needs to know who's boss. Avraham Avinu taught us the value of Yirat Shamayim when he said that he didn't tell the truth because he knew that the place that he was standing in did not have any Yirat Shamayim, and because of that he knew that they would kill him if he told them the truth about hiding his wife. When a Jew doesn't have any connection to Hashem or any connection to the history of Am Yisrael, it's impossible to have Yirat Shamayim. And a day like today, it's a time every single one of us needs to do everything that's possible to start working on getting some Yirat Shamayim. Even though the most popular strategy for the last few hundred years by teachers and rabbis has been to teach Torah, darkei noam, a nice way, a pleasant way, tell people nice stories, try to revive your heart by giving you encouragement. The reality of it is that if the strategy was working, then 80% of Am Yisrael would actually be keeping Shabbat instead of only 20%. So we see that the strategy is not working, not because there's anything wrong with the rabbis themselves, chas v'shalom, there's nothing wrong with them, but there's something wrong with the strategy itself. And the strategy is being politically correct. And as I'm sure all of you have heard from Rabbi Mizrahi that gives lectures here regularly, political correctness is the poison of our generation. It's the disease we have, but we don't even know we do. The most important thing that we need to learn is that Hashem is not politically correct. As we see in Parashat Yitro, Am Yisrael gets very scared of hearing Hashem's voice. They die, they're brought back to life, they die again, they're brought back to life. Each time they hear the first commandment, they die. The second commandment, they die. They get very, very scared of Hashem Yitbarach, and Moshe tells them, Hashem is scaring you so you don't sin. This is actually written in the Torah. He's scaring you so you don't sin. Which means that Hashem likes this strategy. So let's use it.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.